Let us continue with the next thing, that is question number 19. Chloroacetic acid is a stronger acid than acetic acid. This can be explained using. So first let us write the formula for chloroacetic acid. So this is chloroacetic acid and this is acetic acid. So when we study the difference between chloroacetic acid and acetic acid, this can be splitted as CH3 C double bond O single bond OH, and this is Cl2 CH2 COH. In acetic acid, this is an methyl group where this methyl group is electron donating in its nature. So chloroacetic acid shows more acidic character because chloro group is an electron withdrawing group. So when an electron withdrawing group takes away the electron towards itself, this carbon will get a partial positive charge. So when the carbon gets partial positive charge, polarity will be induced. This chloro will get a partial negative charge. When carbon is having a partial positive charge, the effect is called as minus I effect. So because of this minus I effect, we can clearly tell that chloroacetic acid is a stronger acid as compared to acetic acid, which is given by the option B. Next one, question number 20. The IUPAC name of, so they have given a bond line structure. So this is the representation what they have given. Let us split this and write. So here there is carbon where there is no attachment of any group. Hence this terminal carbon is considered as which group? CH3 group. So here carbon will be there. This carbon is attached with what? CHO. Further this is attached with one more. So here there is C along with Br. Okay. So balance it by one hydrogen, and this C is in link with one more CH2 group. Here there is hydrogen and the terminal is CH3. This is the structural representation what they have given. So I have splitted the bond line structure into an complete structure. Let us give the longest chain numbering. So carbon is a part of an functional group, hence start the numbering from this carbon. 2, 3, 4, 5. So at third position there is bromo, and at second position there is methyl. So according to alphabetical order, this can be named as what? 3 bromo, 2 methyl, because at third position bromo, at second position methyl. 3 bromo, 2 methyl. The functional group is aldehyde, which is given by the suffix Al, hence it is called as pentanal. The correct name of the given compound is 3 bromo, 2 methyl pentanal, which is given by the option D. Next one, question number 21. 1.2 grams of organic compound on zaldalization liberates ammonia, which consumes 30 cm cube of, so volume is how much? Volume is 30 cm cube of 1 normal. So normality is what? It is 1 normal solution. The percentage of nitrogen and the weight of an organic compound that is given is 1.2 gram. The percentage of nitrogen in the organic compound is, so they are asking us to calculate the percentage of nitrogen. Therefore, percentage of nitrogen is equal to 1.4 into normality of acid into volume of ammonia used divided by the weight of organic compound. So 1.4 into what is normality of an acid? Normality of an acid is 1 normal. Volume is 30 cm cube and weight of an organic compound is 1.2. When we calculate it, it is around 35, which is given by the option B. Next one, question number 22. Which one of the nitrogen atom in the given structure is most nucleophilic in its nature? Okay, let us write the structure first. That is NH2, single bond NH, C double bond O, and it is NH2 again. They have named this as the first nitrogen, the second nitrogen, as well as the third nitrogen. So when we go through with this, here these two nitrogens are linked to a carbonyl group, where the carbonyl group in this can migrate with the lone pair of electrons. So these lone pair of electrons which are present in nitrogen can be migrated. Hence, this lone pair of electrons can be readily donated, which is present on first nitrogen. Hence, by this, I can clearly explain that the nitrogen which is present in the middle of carbonyl group will involve in resonating structures due to the migration of these lone pair of electrons. So, when I represent this migration structure, I can show it as how NH2 with one set of lone pair, this NH, single bond C, this becomes double bond due to the migration of this lone pair, which become NH2, this becomes single bond O minus. So these lone pair are involved in resonance. The same can be obtained with this. Hence, this first nitrogen can readily donate its electron. Hence, I can explain that the first nitrogen of an NH2 group is more nucleophilic in its nature because it can donate its lone pair of electrons readily. Hence, the correct option for the given question is what? Option B, which is given with the first nitrogen of an NH2 group.